and welcome to the Gonzo Book. I'm Jose and this is
Shelly.
We're heading back to the Greater Philadelphia RV Show.
Yep.
I think that's what it's called. So we're going to head out, have some fun, do some videos. We might do 1 or 2 lives. And that's about it. And just have fun. So without further ado, we'll see you at the RV Show. Do you have anything?
No, I'm good.
Alright, bye.
Alright, bye.
We're finally in. We got caught in the rain a little bit, and they only had one entrance, so the line was kind of long. So we made it though. Huh.
That's, I think, just...
That's too small. I want to do one that you can actually stand up in. But
what we were looking at.
we didn't go. People like that one though. They're around it. Not the thing is. That's the thing, not too many people can afford anything bigger or pull anything bigger. Right here, yes. Nice. So what do you want to hit? Yeah, we actually went in this one. Yeah. Let's go to the other side then. Beyond this wall. We went this one. We went in this one too.
Yep.
This ramp. Look, Matt put a sticker on there. Matt's RV reviews.
Oh, that was...
We haven't seen him in a while.
He's here somewhere.
Yeah, he's here.
Yeah.
We saw him,
He's
did we come yesterday?
Yeah, 2 days ago we were here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
He has a little table.
He's like right over there, I think, if I'm not
okay.
mistaken.
It's just him and Will.
He likes Matt. He loves Matt.
Yeah, he's here.
too,
He's here. Yeah, we had a nice conversation with him.
Because it was so empty Thursday. Yeah.
Oh yeah, he is. You would think he's not here, but he's actually here. Oh, look at this big TV right there, babe. Look at that.
Yeah,
Woo! You want to go in that one?
I was in it.
Oh, were you in that one yesterday?
When I was roaming.
Nice. This coachman over here looks nice.
Let's do it.
Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's all distracting.
And I'm not looking where I'm walking.
You're like, oh,
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I got a little misorientated. Sorry. Yeah, we wasn't down here because I don't remember the e-bikes. Yeah, I don't remember the e-bikes.
Oh, they have red line, right?
Red line,
They
yeah.
have the, what's it called? Salad.
What's up, guys?
How you doing?
Come on over. We're getting service dogs for veterans over here.
Oh, maybe I will get
You're
a.
live streaming too. We can help you out.
I'm not live, but I am.
So we get-
videotaped.
YouTube.
So we're getting service dogs for veterans, and the way we do that is we partner with TADSAW. That's Train a Dog, Save a Warrior. Now they go to kill shelters, so you're saving a vet and a pet at the same time.
Nice.
How many years did you serve?
Almost 22. Yeah.
Okay, nice. I did 17 myself, but I got medically retired.
Oh, that's dope.
But I'd love to tell you more about these items here. Since you got your YouTube going,
Yep.
we can inform the people that are viewing the best way. So we got package deals. But I'm gonna tell you the shirts are 1 for 30 or 2 for 55.
Oh,
We
these
got,
are shirts.
yes,
I thought they were
ma'am.
things to hang
We got a lot of beautiful designs.
Oh,
We got
nice.
V-necks for the ladies over here.
Ooh,
We
nice.
got tank tops. We got a lot of awesome designs here. Now we got a package deal. We got a puppy and we got a big dog package. What our big dog package is you can grab any 2 of these 3 hoodies over here, any 2 of our shirts. Then I'm gonna give you some of these koozies for free. I'm also gonna give you a decal. But yeah,
Well, I like the hoodie, so I want to get the hoodie. How much is the hoodie?
so the hoodies are 65.
Let me see.
The one she's got on, what size are you thinking?
Extra large?
Extra large?
Yeah.
That's what I'm wearing now.
Yeah, I lost some weight, so.
We're doing cash. All right. It was 68 after tax. Went around to 70 towards the cost. There you go. Thank you so much.
like the way it feels.
Yeah, you'll enjoy it. Thank you so much for stopping by, guys.
Thank you. The Novo. I'm gonna go in the middle and cut over. Why would you want one of those for? She wants to go camping?
Not like before she gets to but like after she gets to like.
All the way down there. Yeah. But all the way past that exit sign, we didn't do most of that part.
Yeah, we've been here.
Yeah, here we've been to.
Yeah, we went to that.
Yeah, but we didn't pass where Shady Maples RV was. We didn't go past there. All the way to the end where the exit is. This is the part right here. Endless RVing! How you doing? Good, how you doing?
Very good.
We never got to meet you. We saw you in the Hershey, but we were busy doing something, so we didn't want to bug you.
You're the one that was leaving those super chats last night for him. That was so nice.
Yeah.
And then he said stop, and I was like, okay, sure.
Oh, that was
I wasn't saying stop.
You were like,
I'm
stop.
stop. Oh no. Okay.
Right.
No. I'm just
And then that one guy sent that 50. I was like, woo, he's trying to top me.
Yeah.
Yeah, one guy sent a 50.
Damn. Keep going.
You guys having a good time then?
yes.
Can we get a picture with you guys?
Where are you guys from? Northern New Jersey.
Oh, I was born in Jersey. Woo.
Where?
Hamilton. It's on, so don't talk about it. Nice. We got to see Endless RVing. Got a picture with them. Nice. Got to see Matt and Will again.
Thursday. Yeah.
Oh, look at that thing. Pet camp. Doggy house. Look at this Phoenix. That's huge. Over here is Smithfield. We're just gonna go this way. Oh, RV. They're by our house. Mannheim. Do you need to use the bathroom?
Before we leave.
Right here.
Oh.
Alright, we're done. We just got done with our live. So what we did was just walk around again, have some fun. We didn't eat anything because we ate before we got here. So without further ado, we'll see you guys
On the other side. Bye.